Hi, it is Wednesday, May 6th, and we're going to do our word work. Okay, we're starting with rhyming. Remember to give me thumbs up or thumbs down. Tail, male. Yep, tail, male rhyme. Not get. Nope, they don't rhyme. Ought, et. Ought and et don't rhyme. So then. No. Farm charm. You got it. Good job. Wife knife. Yep, wife knife rhyme. Okay, onset fluency. That's our beginning sound. Repeat after me. Tail, toy, t. Knife, nurse, n. Dig, deer, d. Your, year, y. Bear, bell, b. Good job. Okay, we're going to blend our rhymes or phonemes together, okay? Ife, knife. D, id, did. F, or, for. J, r, jar. Ow, now. Okay, great job. Middle or medial sounds next. Repeat after me. An, a. Good. P, n, e. K, it, I. What sound do we hear in the middle? F, ox, ah. K, t, Okay, great job. Okay, get your choppers out. Find, find. Your turn. How, ow. Down, own. Nail, ale. Food, food. Good job. We're chopping off that beginning sound and leaving the ending phoneme. Okay, now we're going to add some phonemes. So remember, phonemes are the sounds of our words. We're going to add. We're going to start with add and add at the beginning. So now we have add, mad. Good. We're going to start with L and add b at the beginning to make bell. Good job. We're going to start with it and add s at the beginning to make sit. Very good. We're going to start with awk and add at the beginning to make rock. Good job. Last one. We're going to start with and add f at the beginning to make fun. You got it. Good job. Now we're going to delete part of our phonemes, okay? We're going to start with the word sack and take away s. What's left? Ack. We're going to start with the word hem and take away h. What's left? M. We're going to start with the word fill and take away f. What's left? Ill. We're going to start with the word doll and take away d. What's left? all. We're going to start with the word bud and take away b. What's left? Ud. Good job. Now nursery rhyme. 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. See how they run. See how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife. That's it. We have to wait for the next part tomorrow. I'll see you then.